Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get a better oxygen tank for your underwater adventures. To begin, focus on understanding the core mechanics of oxygen supply and demand within your game world. You will want to identify the initial crafting recipes or purchase options for basic tanks. This foundational knowledge is crucial for planning your progression and maximizing your exploration time beneath the surface. For your initial improvements, focus on crafting the standard oxygen tank. This typically requires common resources found near your starting area, such as metal scraps and rubber. Once you have the basic tank, seek out blueprints or schematics that offer a first-tier capacity increase. These early upgrades can add an extra 100 to 200 units of oxygen, significantly extending your initial dive times. To elevate your expertise, delve into advanced prototyping. Learn to create intricate user flows and interactive components that truly bring your designs to life. Experiment with a minimum of 5 popular plugins and widgets to discover how they can streamline specific tasks. Effective collaboration is also key. Practice sharing your files, gathering feedback through comments, and leveraging version history to manage design iterations with your team. To truly maximize your underwater time, consider combining tank upgrades with enhancements to your diving suit. Some suits offer passive oxygen regeneration or reduced consumption. Also, keep an eye out for environmental oxygen sources like underwater plants or craft portable rebreathers for emergency refills. Strategic dive planning, including efficient movement and resource management, can extend your exploration far beyond your tank's stated capacity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.